Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Harish Happy World. Have you ever wondered how people and goods travel through the sky? Today, we are going on a high flying adventure to learn all about different types of air transportation. Buckle up and let's take off. First up, we have the mighty airplane. Have you ever flown in an airplane? These giant flying machines can take people to different cities and countries super fast. Airplanes have big wings and special engines that help them soar high above the clouds. The pilots in the cockpit control the plane to make sure everyone's safe and sound. Airplanes help us travel to faraway places, from sunny beaches to snowy mountains. What's the farthest place you have been? Maybe you'll fly to even more places soon. Next, we have the helicopter. Look at how it hovers in the sky. Helicopters have big spinning blades called rotors that help them take off, land, and even fly backwards. They are great for rescues, carrying supplies, and helping firefighters. Here comes a biplane. It has two wings, one on top and one below. A long time ago, biplanes were used in air shows and races. Some pilots even performed tricks in the sky. Loop the loop, whee! What if you could float gently in the sky like a cloud? That's what a hot air balloon does. It rises using hot air and moves with the wind, giving people an amazing view from above. Whoa, look how fast the plane is going. That's a fighter jet. It can fly at incredible speeds and do amazing tricks in the air. Fighter pilots train for years to fly these powerful jets. Wow, a plane that lands on water? That's a seaplane. Instead of wheels, it has special floats that let it land on lakes and oceans. Imagine flying to an island and landing right on the water. Splash! Look at this person flying like a bird. That's a paraglider. It's a lightweight glider with no engine. Pilots use the wind to stay in the air and glide smoothly down. So much fun. Look at the giant airship in the sky. That's a blimp. It's filled with a special gas that makes it float. Blimps are used for filming sports, games, advertising, and even carrying cameras to capture amazing views. Here's something tiny but mighty, a drone. Drones are small flying machines that can take pictures and videos from the sky. They are super fun and helpful for taking cool photos. Drones can fly high and even deliver things. Imagine getting a surprise package delivered by drone. How cool would that be? Can you buzz like a drone? Let's make the buzzing sound with our hands as we fly through the sky. Now let's go beyond our planet and explore space with the space shuttle. The space shuttle takes astronauts to space to learn more about stars, planets, and the universe. It blasts off from Earth and travels into space, where astronauts float and conduct experiments to learn about outer space. Isn't that amazing? Wow! We have seen so many amazing air transportation vehicles today, from airplanes and helicopters to space shuttles and hot air balloons. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.